Welcome back, my big mixers, not little mixers.
I think that's a better title for you guys. So, welcome back, and in this video we are going to be making not vegan salted caramel buttercream frosting, and I hope you enjoy. Okay, let's get on to the video now. I apologize for the awful lighting. This was filmed late at night in a medium-sized saucepan thing. Add a half cup of brown sugar. Add 1/4 of a cup of cubed butter, and I use salted because this is salted caramel, but you can always use unsalted. Add in 1/8 of a cup or 2 tablespoons of milk. Put your saucepan on your stove and turn on the heat to low for about 2 minutes or until your brown sugar has dissolved into your butter, which should also be melted. So this is about like a minute later, and as you can see, the butter has melted and your brown sugar is mixing into your butter really nicely. Now turn your heat up to medium. Cook at medium for about 3 to 6 minutes until there's bubbles in the center, kind of like this, and make sure that your mixture is turning slightly thick. You need to make sure that as soon as that happens, you take it off the heat and pour it into another bowl, and make sure not to touch it. And I touched it because I'm just dumb like that, and I touched it and it was so hot that I didn't even know that I burnt myself. Like, I didn't feel it, like my finger went numb. That's how hot it was. Don't even try to taste it, like don't even put it on your tongue either, because I tried that for you and I also burnt my tongue. Add in 1 cup of powdered sugar to a mixing bowl. Slowly add in your caramel mixture to your powdered sugar and keep mixing, and it will be a little bit clumpy at first, but it'll start together as soon as you put all of your caramel in. An important part of this is to make sure that your caramel mixture comes to room temperature, so I put it in the fridge to just quicken that process, but you can just leave it out if you have time, but I didn't because it was like 12 a.m. Whoops. I added about 1.5 tablespoons of milk, but if I were you and your frosting is clumpy, I would start off small, so do maybe like 1/2 teaspoon and then gradually like go up, because you do not want to do what I did. I am no cupcake expert, frosting expert. I'm no cupcake expert either, but frosting too. But at least I know that this is not what frosting looks like. This is clumpy and liquidy, and that is not going to stay on cupcakes. So I went back to adding more powdered sugar, which just made it more sweet. But you know, it tasted good at the end. Just add about 1 to 2 more tablespoons of powdered sugar if your frosting becomes too runny, or you can always add milk if it becomes too clumpy again. It's all just like trial and error. See, this is why I hate making cupcakes or frosting. Like, I don't know why, but for me, everything just goes wrong. Before we begin the very interesting process of me decorating my cupcakes, I would like you guys to see my cult of cupcakes in the background, and it's really cute. Yes, please appreciate them. Thank you. So I just used a regular piping bag, and I used the Wilson 2D decorating tip. Yeah, so that's all I did to like pipe it on to the cupcakes. Just did a simple little swirl, which I also managed to mess up somehow. You will see in the future cupcakes. But yeah. This frosting is super easy, and it is like pretty good, even though I screwed up a lot. But I probably would make it again because, I don't know, once you make it a couple times and fail a couple times, like you'll know what not to do next time. So I think I'm definitely going to make this frosting again. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. I hope you guys enjoyed like the 2-part video, the cupcake and the frosting. And I will see you guys in my next video next Friday. Stay safe, wash your hands, and bye!